Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm a technician at Dove Lewis, and I want to talk to you today about how to administer an oral medication to a cat. So having to give pills to cats can be a little bit overwhelming. They aren't quite as easy as dogs, and I just want to give you some tips on how to be successful. There are commercially available products like pill pockets that allow you to hide the pill inside of them. It's always best to get the animal to eat the pill in food. It tends to be less stressful on them and less stressful on you as well. So these products called pill pockets are commercially available, which have a little hole in the center. For this purpose, I'm using an empty capsule for this demonstration, but you put this in there and you can close the pill pocket. It's very easy to mold into the shape that fits your pill, and it creates a little meatball. I know Vivian won't eat this, but I wanted to show you this because I think it's a really great way to get your pets to eat them. They come in different flavors like chicken and salmon. So if you are lucky enough to have a cat that likes these pill pockets, go for it. You can also hide them in canned food or any other kind of special treat as long as they don't have food allergies. So because I know Vivian doesn't like the pill pockets, I'm going to take the pill out and show you how you have to give it if you can't get your pet to eat it. So one way is just to manually give the pill by opening their mouths and putting the pill in the back of their throat. I make a C with my index finger and my thumb, and I go over the top of their mouth, and then with my index finger on the other hand, I open their lower jaw like this, and then I put the pill back there and encourage her to swallow it. So that's manually administering the pill. The one thing I'll say is that it's pretty instinctual for them to just bite down when you're doing that. So when cats are really stressed or they don't like what they're doing, it's easy to have them accidentally bite you. So since that happens, kind of commonly, they make things to help keep your fingers safe, and this is a pet pillar. It comes in two parts, and it allows you to put the pill in their mouth with this instead of your fingers. So this is like a stylet that goes in the bottom of it, and it pushes up through this blue piece and pops the pill in. So for Vivian, I'm going to put the pill in this blue rubber piece here. It allows you to put your fingers in this kind of divoted area and push either with the meat of your hand here, or you can hold it like this and push it in with your thumb. So I'm going to open Vivian's mouth the same way I did before. I like to go in from the side, push it back there, push the button in, and it pushed the pill in. And just like that, Vivian got her medicine. So that is how you administer oral medications in cats. If possible, it's always great to give them a treat afterwards just to reward them so that they don't have a negative association with getting medications.